Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX. We just got this in, took the wrap off, wanted to do a quick video show you. So obviously we got the back here, tons of space. We got a nice backrest here that actually moves. You can move it in two different positions, sit this way. We don't have the batteries in, but this is the part that actually extends the whole side of the boat. So this, you press a couple buttons on the side and the whole thing will go down and it'll extend the transom of the boat, which is really fun. People jumping off, having a good time. So we kind of coming in the cockpit. We've got a nice massive table here, so if all your friends are sitting around, there's plenty of room for everybody to enjoy. We've got a nice little sink here. We've got the grill. We've got a place here to put some ice and water. And then down in here we do have a couple freezers and a refrigerator. And then you've got two garbage cans. So as we come up to the helm here, we've got the dual captain's chairs, which is really nice to have. You've got this two Simrad screens, Fusion stereo system. Everything's touchscreen in here. It's great. The 6.2 350s in this boat. Joystick control. It's obviously a yacht certified boat, so you can have as many people on here as you like. Twin seats here. This actually does rotate, so you can just click that and the whole thing will rotate 360 all the way around. Now to kind of the fun part here, come to the bow. On those nice sunny days, I've got three nice seats, got some armrests up here. We did put the table out, able to have a nice conversation, have some fun with some friends. Great place to enjoy the sun. So now we'll go down to the cabin area. It is lockable, by the way, so if you are spending the night, you can lock it up. But just press the button, open the door, and come on down. So you can see we got a table here. It's in the up position right now, so you can sit around it and eat. It does close if you need to get around it. And then you can adjust it all the way down and then put a cushion in there. We do have another fridge down in here. You've got a TV here. And then the full head right in here. Pretty tall as well, so it is a wet head. Got the sink, toilet. Then the last thing to show you, just a nice little berth down in here. You could probably sleep 3-4 people, pretty comfortable, or just come down here and take a nap. Thanks for coming out to see this 400 SLX. It is here in Rogers right now. So if you want to come take a look at this or schedule an appointment, just give us a call here in Rogers. As always, click the like button and then click to subscribe.